Due to this one, 3D printing is nowly known as new, advanced, and emerging technology. 3D printing, which is emerged new and advanced technology, performing their best role in our society, which is used for the conversion of physical objects, and nowadays it's also known as the physical technology and used for the physical. And there are some limitations of the 3D printing, which we have discussed earlier, and there are some limitations as at some reasons they are not widely applied due to the absence of the electrical signals, unsustainable signals, weakened signals, 4G, 3D or 4G or 5G network unavailable, the unavailability of all these objects, which is not responsible for the conversion of physical object to the other objects. And this was a little topic about the 3D printing, which is nowadays it is known as the new emerging and advanced technology.